The 2009 Dodge Avenger. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, rear defrost, power windows. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.